Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, here he is to host you this evening. Please put your hands together for Mr. Tim Wilcox.
On behalf of the Maritime Standard team, it is my great pleasure and honour to welcome you all here for the 5th Annual Maritime Standard Awards, the ceremony here at the wonderful Atlantis Hotel in Dubai. To help me host the award ceremony, I'd like to welcome to the stage the very beautiful and Dubai's very own Miss Rania Ali.
I'm Rania Ali, and it gives me great pleasure to welcome you all this evening as we celebrate and reward success.
The industry in this part of the world is in really good hands. Companies across the board striving to improve the quality of their performance commercially and technically. So without further ado, it gives me great pleasure to hand over to the founder and managing director of the Maritime Standard.
It is wonderful to see so many distinguished maritime business leaders here in the ballroom tonight. It is a particular pleasure to acknowledge and express my deep gratitude for our patron, His Highness, Sheikh Ahmed bin Saeed Al Maktoum. His Highness has been a true supporter of the awards since their inception, and the Maritime Standard is truly humbled by the backing he has given us. And now, please allow me to welcome onto the stage the CEO of Abu Dhabi Ports, Captain Mohammed Juma Al Shamsi, to deliver his keynote address.
And to all of you from the shipping industry, respect. You have been through some tough times. Yet, despite all the hurdles, you have demonstrated both your resilience and your creativity, emerging stronger, smarter, and more efficient.
We'd like to start with Ship Owner Operator of the Year.
The winner is ADNOC Logistics.
Congratulations. So up next is the Terminal Operator of the Year Award.
DP World UAE region.
And I think one of the biggest rankings, perhaps, is going to be the Tanker Operator of the Year Award, sponsored by Dubai Maritime City Authority.
The winner is Kuwait Oil Tanker Company.
Maritime Education and Trading Award, sponsored by Oman Shipping Company.
And the winner is Abu Dhabi Ports.
The Deal of the Year, sponsored by Dubai Maritime City.
The winner is International Maritime Industry.
The Shipping Company of the Year, sponsored by DNVGL.
And the winner today is Bari.
And the winner of that award, the Cadet Employment Award for 2018, goes to Jayachandran Gajendran from HIMT.
When sentiment is left to chance, no place to be ending, but somewhere to start. no need to ask.
I'd like to carry on with the award ceremony now. And first up is the individual awards, is the Maritime Standard Personality of the Year Award, sponsored by DP World.
The winner is Ali Shihab.
Next up tonight, the Maritime Standard Woman in Shipping Award, Her Excellency Hessa bint Ahmed Al Malik. Ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellencies, the winner of the Maritime Standard Young Person in Shipping Award for 2018 is the Panamanian Ambassador to the UAE, His Excellency Eduardo Fonseca. Another prestigious award, the Maritime Standard Outstanding Achievement Award for 2018 is Chairman and Managing Director of the Shipping Corporation of India, Captain Amit Kumar Sharma. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the Maritime Standard Excellence Award for 2018 is Chief Executive of ADNOC Logistics and Services, Captain Abdul Karim Al-Massad. Ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellencies, the winner of the Maritime Standard International Maritime Personality of the Year Award for 2018 is the Chief Executive of Sakos Energy Navigation and Chairman of Intertanko, Dr. Nicholas Sakos. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the Maritime Standard Lifetime Achievement Award for 2018 is the President of the Jordan Academy for Maritime Studies, Professor Mustafa Amin Masad.
This is the most prestigious award. One of the best I've ever seen in the award nights. Very interesting and very enjoyable.
The whole maritime industry is here.
The value that people see in these awards.
This evening is growing year by year.
We wanted to thank you all for being here today. It's only with your support we're here and promise you to stay. We are the Maritime